What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sweet Man. You feel me? Wow, weather is pretty nice still. It's chilly, you feel me? Today was pretty hot still. But yo, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys like, subscribe. And if you're also new, I do have my 2014 Audi RS5 in the back. And I have my 2013 Ford Fusion right over there. Well, in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to like beat the insurance system. You feel me? So if you've been having high payment of insurance, I'm gonna tell you guys, we'll show you guys how to make sure that you cut down your insurance payment. Feel me? So without further ado, let's get this video started on deck. All right, so you guys, so I'm 24. I do have a lot of tickets, so I'm considered as a high risk insured. So right now, I currently pay. I hope you guys are ready for that. I'm currently paying $8,000 on this car, on my 2014 Audi RS5. So that's what I'm currently paying right now, $8,000. It actually went down a little bit, just because I called to get a new quote, right? So when I first bought the car about a year and a half ago, right, that's what I was paying. Now it cut down by a couple $100, so it's still pretty good. And for that, for my 2013 Ford Fusion, on that one, I pay 4 bands on that. But right now, it cut down a little bit more, which I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to make sure that that goes down. So this car is financed. So when you finance a car, the insurance wants to know about you financing the car. So obviously, it has to be under your name, right? So here's the thing. The way to go about that to make sure that the insurance gives you guys a lower payment, you want to put somebody else that it doesn't matter if they live in the same house as you are. You want to put them, like, let's say your mom or your dad, with pretty much with a good record, right? Let's just say you start driving. The reason why I didn't put my mom on this car was just because I'm a high risk. So if I put my mom's as a primary driver on my car, then I'm gonna get her insurance higher, which I don't want to do that because she has her own car. Even though I'll be the one still paying for it regardless, that I didn't want to do that. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna build myself up. I'm gonna take responsibility, pay it up. It is what it is, right? So that's the consequence I'm dealing with. But for you guys can pretty much have the same, a different way to go with it. So you just make sure you put your mom or your dad or whoever lives in your house with a better record than you are. Because I'm still young and I have this car. So that's why I was paying that amount, especially here in Ontario. If I was back in Quebec, I'll probably be paying a little bit cheaper, maybe 2,000 or maybe 50% off. I don't know. Because back in Quebec, I used to pay, on that car, I used to pay less than $1,000 a year on insurance. When I moved here, I paid 3 times the price. So it's crazy. That's Ontario for you guys. In other provinces, it probably might be higher. If you're watching this video and you're kind of curious about what the insurance is like, that's what it is. It's pretty expensive. I think Ontario has one of the most expensive insurance in the whole province, in the whole Canada actually. So maybe the other places should, like, I think it's Ontario insurance is comparing to LA, right? So I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comment. But anyways, so if you do have any person that have a better score than you do, just make sure you put that person in. And what that's gonna do for you guys is pretty much gonna make sure that your insurance premium it's lower than what you're supposed to pay. It's kind of loud, so I'm gonna get back to you guys. All right, you guys. So I had to pretty much change location because it was getting too loud. Back there, I had kids running around, so I didn't want it to had that interfere with the video. All right. So anyways, like I was saying, in order for you guys to lower your insurance costs, because you have that option. When I purchased my car, I did put my mom's name and my name on the registration. Even though I was financing the car, it goes under my name, right? But on the registration, my name was on it. So I had that option to be under my mom's insurance if I wanted to do it. But I was like, nah, I don't want to do that. So I took my mom's name off the registration. I had to pay money to get her name off the registration. It's crazy. I had to do that. but no big deal. So for you guys, just put your moms and your dad, go on your insurance. It's gonna be cheaper, and then with that you start building your portfolio slowly but surely, and then you're gonna pretty much get a better insurance. So that's, and when you also get in the quote online, um, you don't need to put exact mileage that you're gonna be driving per year. So make sure that's very understandable. Make sure you guys know that you don't need to put exact how much. So I would say maybe put anywhere from like maximum of maybe 5,000 kilometers a year, and your commute should be like, let's say, 2,000. So you know, actually, yeah, anywhere from 5 to 10,000. You don't want to go over that. You go over that, I think that makes a little difference, because if you're telling the insurance that you're gonna be driving a lot, then they're gonna consider it as a high risk. So more chances of you getting into an accident and stuff. So make sure you want to put that low and let them know that you're not driving the car a lot. You're just doing it for pleasure. All right. So that's what I got for you guys. If you do have any comments, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Could answer your questions and stuff. If this video helps you, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And also I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and also for the giveaway. You guys make sure I do see the participation for the giveaway. I want to thank you guys for participating in the giveaway. I appreciate it. Right now we're at about 555, so we're close to our objective. We're missing like less than 100 subscribers, so keep the subscribing coming in. I appreciate every single one of y'all. All right, so make sure you leave that in the comments below if you have any questions. If this video helped you, and if it's your first time stopping on my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, y'all.